Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable USB debugging on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. First, open Settings and navigate all the way down to About Phone section. Then tap on Nothing OS and then tap on build number 7 times until you see this screen. Confirm with your password to become a developer. This will enable developer options on your smartphone. Go to System and open Developer Options. Navigate to USB Debugging under Debugging section or use a quick search tool to find this feature easier. Switch this toggle to the right and tap OK. And USB debugging will now be enabled, allowing your phone to communicate with computer or for debugging and advanced tasks when connected using USB cable. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.